How to fix your Windows keyboard is not working. So if you want to fix your Windows keyboard is not working or your laptop keyboard is not working, you have to enable the on-screen keyboard. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end. So to enable your on-screen keyboard, you have to just navigate to your start option. Once you are on your start option, navigate to your setting. Once you are on your setting, here you have to just go for your ease of access. Once you are on your ease of access, scroll down and go for your keyboard option. So once you are on your keyboard option here, you can see the use your device without a physical keyboard. You have to simply just go for that and toggle this on. After toggling this on, you will easily have your screen keyboard. You can see that you can easily have your own screen keyboard like this. So if you don't want this, you have to just go and toggle this off. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.